Circle is a conic section created by cutting a plane parallel to the base. So if we cut a plane here, so parallel to the base, the section created is a circle, and that is the first type of the conic section that we are going to discuss. So if we have a circle here with center having coordinate HK and a point P having a coordinate x, y. This distance, line PC, is called the radius of the circle, or R. One special property of a circle is that all points on the circle is equidistant to the center of the circle. Now, so if we have here center at coordinate HK and point P on the circle with coordinate XY, we can solve for R using the distance formula. So we have the distance formula is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Now, we have the distance PC is equal to the radius. Therefore, R is equal to the square root of the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared. If we get the square of the whole equation, we have r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. And this equation is the standard equation for a circle, while the general equation or the general form is given by a x squared plus a y squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. Now, if your circle has center at origin, so let's draw another circle. So this is our circle, and it has center at origin. So the value of h and k is 0. Therefore, you have x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals r squared, or x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So this is the equation when your center is at the origin. Now, let's solve an example and let's try to draw the graph. So we have, let's say, here x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 4y minus 8 equals 0. So required, so find the coordinates of the center, the standard equation, and draw the graph. So given an equation in general form, ax squared plus ay squared, then cx dy e equals 0. So to find the coordinates of the center, let's transform the equation from general form to standard form. So we have x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 4y minus 8 equals 0. Now let's isolate the constant. Let's transpose the constant on the other side of the equation. So we have x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 4y equals 8. So now our goal is to create a perfect square trinomial from this, and we can do that by completing the square. So let's copy this, x squared minus 4x plus, so 1/2 of this is 2, then square 2, so this will become 4 plus y squared minus 4y. 1/2 of 4 is 2, then square the 2, so you have plus 4 equals 8. So what you did on the left side equation, so you also apply on the right side of the equation to make the equation balance. So 8 plus 4 plus 4. So let's simplify. We have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 16. Therefore, your center is at coordinate 2, 2, and your radius is equal to square root of 16 equals 4. So this is your standard equation. This is your center and this is your radius. Now we can draw the graph. So this is your circle. So this is your center. So your center is located at 2, 2. So this is your y-axis, x-axis. So you have 1, 2. You have 1, 2. So you have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So -2, -1. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So -2, -1. And this is the graph of your circle.